You're listening to Fluent Talk Academy.
Hey, English learners! Welcome back to Fluent Talk Academy. I'm Alex.
And I'm Mia. We're so happy you're here today. Whether you're listening on your way to work, while you're cooking, or just relaxing at home, thanks for spending a little time with us.
Today, we're talking about something every English learner experiences, sooner or later. The biggest speaking mistakes beginners make. If you've ever felt nervous, forgotten words, or thought, maybe my English isn't good enough, this episode is for you.
Absolutely. And here's the first thing we want you to remember. Every confident English speaker was once a beginner. They made mistakes. They felt embarrassed. They forgot words. The difference is they didn't let those moments stop them.
Exactly. So don't worry if you've made these mistakes too. In fact, if you have, you're learning just like everyone else. Let's look at the most common ones, and more importantly, how you can fix them.
Let's start with the biggest mistake. Waiting until your English is perfect before you start speaking.
We hear this all the time. People say, I'll speak after I improve my grammar, or I need to learn more vocabulary first.
It sounds reasonable, but here's the problem. If you keep waiting, you'll always find another reason to wait. There will always be another grammar rule or another list of vocabulary to study.
The truth is, speaking is how you improve. You don't become a good speaker first and then start talking. You become a good speaker by talking.
Think about riding a bicycle. You can read books about it or watch videos all day, but until you actually get on the bike, you won't learn how to balance.
English works exactly the same way. Start with simple sentences. Say things like, I'm hungry, I'm watching TV, or I'm learning English. They may sound simple, but they're real conversations, and that's what matters.
Another mistake many beginners make is translating every single sentence from their native language.
And honestly, that's exhausting for your brain. First, you think in your own language. Then you translate it into English. Then you check the grammar. And by the time you're ready to speak, the conversation has already moved on.
We've all been there.
Instead of translating everything, try thinking in simple English. If you're thirsty, don't build a long sentence in your head. Just think, I need some water.
When you wake up in the morning, tell yourself, good morning. Today is going to be a busy day. These little moments help your brain get used to thinking in English naturally.
Now, let's talk about something that surprises a lot of learners. Speaking too fast.
Yes, many people think fast English sounds fluent.
But it really doesn't. Clear English sounds fluent.
Native speakers don't rush every sentence. They pause, they breathe, they give people time to understand.
Listen to this. If I say, I want to go to school because it's difficult to understand.
But if you say, I want to go to school because I have an important class today, every word is clear, and that's exactly what you should aim for.
Don't chase speed, chase clarity. Speed will come naturally with practice.
Another thing beginners worry about is pronunciation.
Or more specifically, their accent.
We hear learners say, I don't sound like a native speaker.
And that's okay. Remember, people all over the world speak English with different accents. Even native speakers have different accents, depending on where they live.
Your goal isn't to sound exactly like someone else. Your goal is to speak clearly so people understand you.
The best way to improve pronunciation is simple. Listen carefully. Repeat what you hear. Record yourself. Then listen again. Just a few minutes every day can make a huge difference over time.
Here's another common mistake. Learning lots of new words, but never actually using them.
Vocabulary is only useful when it becomes part of your everyday speaking.
So here's a small challenge. Learn 5 new words today. Then make one sentence with each word. Tomorrow, use those same words again in different sentences.
Repetition is the secret. The more you use a word, the more natural it feels.
Finally, let's talk about one mistake that can stop your progress completely: giving up after making a mistake.
Maybe you said something wrong yesterday. Maybe someone corrected your English.
That's okay. Seriously, it's okay.
Even native speakers forget words sometimes.
More often than people think.
Instead of saying, "My English is terrible," try saying, "I'm still learning."
That little word, still, changes your whole mindset. It reminds you that learning is a journey, not a race.
Before we finish, let's practice together. Repeat after us. I make mistakes.
I learn from my mistakes.
I speak English every day.
Every day, I become more confident.
Great job! If you repeated those sentences, you just practiced real spoken English.
Before we say goodbye, let's quickly remember today's message. Don't wait for perfect English. Don't translate every thought. Speak clearly, not quickly. Practice your pronunciation every day. Use the words you learn, and never let one mistake stop you from speaking again.
Remember, confidence doesn't come before speaking.
Confidence comes because you keep speaking.
So open your mouth, make mistakes, learn from them, and keep moving forward.
Thanks so much for spending your time with us today. We hope this episode gave you more confidence and inspired you to speak a little more English every single day.
If you found this podcast helpful, please give this video a thumbs up. It really supports our channel and helps more English learners discover these lessons.
And don't keep it to yourself. Share this episode with a friend, a classmate, or anyone who's learning English. You never know, it might be exactly the encouragement they need today.
We'd also love to hear from you. Tell us in the comments, which speaking mistake do you struggle with the most? And which tip are you going to try first? We read your comments, and they help us create future episodes just for you.
If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe to Fluent Talk Academy and turn on the notification bell so you never miss our new English podcast episodes. We upload fresh content every week to help you improve your listening, speaking, vocabulary, and confidence.
Keep practicing, keep believing in yourself. And remember, every conversation brings you one step closer to speaking English naturally.
Thanks for listening. Take care, and we'll see you in the next episode. Bye.